Namaste friends, I am Guruji from Trading Emotion channel. Welcome to you all for intraday demand and supply, and some will do some investigation, some research, or we ask ourselves why. So every time, whenever you are in the real life, normal life, not real life, normal, that means day-to-day life. That could be the perfect word. Day-to-day life, you have to ask this question, not in the market, all the time. In the market, especially in the market, you have to ask every 1 hour in the live market. Then you can change your mind. See, as an option buyer, option sellers, any trader can do this activity. Okay, so every 1 hour you have to ask why market spending more time here, why market moving up like this, why market moving downside. So whenever you are asking this question to you, then after that you have to find the solution. Okay, find a solution or find the answer. Then you will say, okay, oh, this is what market is done today. In the live market, whenever after market hours, all the traders can tell you. Okay, so but yesterday if you see in our telegram channel, we just in the afternoon, some information came from the market going to fall. Okay, some information based on this activity. Okay, information means not not from any other out of the source. Information gathered from this market profile. Okay, this market profile, based on this market profile activity, okay, the market is going to fall bank nifty. So I just posted bank nifty going to fall on board, but the reversal was happen, not fall, but the entirely different type of activities done by the market. This is why we say market is supreme. Market is supreme god. So the god knows what to do. So all the credits goes to the market, nifty, bank nifty, whichever stock you trade. So you have to think that that is a god, not think that is a purely it's a god. Okay, why? Because that much of money is available in the market. You have to think logically, then you have to plan how to take that money in your account. It's purely not, this is not a game, that this, okay, everything, the trading was happening, real trading was happening, no gambling, nothing. This is pakka trading and the datas are pakka. Okay, so if you ask this why question, so you will get an answer. Okay, so we are not spending more time, and laggards will come now. Laggards means after they will so whenever the up move was happen, laggards how they will behave. When the up move was happen here, then they will think that okay, market will fall, market will fall from here, and I will go for a once the retracement or whatever it may be, then I will go for a what to say, I will go for buy, I will go for a long. But market will not give this retracement, small retracement, then market will move up. Then they will think okay, this up move has happened now, then market will fall from here, the sharp fall will be here. Then what happen? Then again market will move up. So the laggards will come on the top of the market. So now they will say, yeah, market was reached nearby 20,000 mark. So surely from here another 1,000 points market will move up. But that why question you have to ask here. See, these are the levels yesterday we discussed in the morning. Only Nifty we discussed. We discussed that 19,835 will work as a demand and supply zone. Demand and supply zone. Morning what happened? The supply zone was happened here. The first 3 15 minutes candle is a proof here. Then one that demand zone was changed into the, sorry, of supply zone changed into the demand. See, this is the demand was happened here, then market went up. Okay, so this is the learning. The same area we told that 19,009, we discussed that 19,910 is a what to say, a supply zone. See, the supply was came here, again the acceptance was happened here, again see the retest was done in 19,003, 19,935. Okay, so based on this up move, what the what the learning is, the very good learning is the sharp up move. Okay, so this is not a new business, this is a pakka short covering. This is a, this is not a new business, this is a pakka short covering. Now you are asking, sir, why you are saying that this is not a new business, this is a, the good up move was happened yesterday in the second half, why you are saying this is a short covering? Simple logic, you just think yesterday was expiry. Okay, number one, yeah, the answer, why answer? Okay, yesterday was expiry, weekly expiry, first thing. Second thing, market sharp up move. So if new business was come, how the market will go and spend time, again will move high and retracement, then market will move another high. So if new business are there, market will act like this only, go retracement, go retracement, go retracement. The downfall also the same way only, market will behave like this. This is the behavior of new business. If short covering or profit booking, there will be a sharp fall will we can see, or sharp up move we can see, like this type of activities. And one more, this is the unique, you will not get anywhere. This is the unique information from the market profile. This is we called, this is anomaly 1, anomaly 2, anomaly 3. So market profile students are knows that when these anomalies will get repaired. Okay, so market profile traders are knows very well about this anomaly. So adding to this, there is a no new business. Laggards will come in the morning today, and they will try, the smart money also will come into the picture. They will absorb, this is a absorption of demand will happen here, then the market will come to the then market, we don't know today they will repair or not. So let's we just discuss immediately what is the supply zone and demand zone. Now there is a two supply zone above this day high, there is a supply zone. Another supply zone is 20,062 nifty future, we are discussing nifty future. Okay, 20,060, not 62, sorry. So you can mark 62 also, but 60. Okay, 20,060 is another good supply zone. Okay, you just watch this particular level. And demand zone is very lower end only we have. So 19,820 is the first demand, 820 is the first demand. Second is 19,730 is a second demand in the nifty future chart. These are the four levels you can mark. Above day high 20,060 is a supply zone. So if market any acceptance inside this value area, today itself market will come and fill this entire gap, that anomaly will get repaired today itself. So what about the bank nifty? Same only, but here there is only two anomaly with non-migration POC, So here we have supply zone at 46 above this day high. Okay, above this day high will be the PDH, we'll call it as a previous day high. PDH is a supply zone. Another supply zone is 46,000, okay, 455. Okay, 46,455 is a good supply zone, very good supply zone on the top side. These are the two levels on the supply zone. And again demand will come on 46,185. Okay, sorry, 45,000, very sorry, 45,760 is a first demand, I think nearby this particular poor buying area. Then 45,470 will be the next demand zone. So 760 and 470 will be the demand zone, and the upper side 46,455 is a supply zone. So these are the levels you can mark in trading view. Okay, so I am trading on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, I will always trade in the 15 minutes time frame. So you can plan based on your the time frame, whichever wherever you are comfortable, you can plan accordingly. Thank you very much.